Hi, welcome to our final week of Ed 604. This week, our only assignment is to do your culminating project. You'll be posting your project on the website for just the students in your culminating project group to view. You need to post that by Wednesday. And what you're preparing is a narrated PowerPoint or Screencast-O-Matic to explain what three purposes you think are really important to build into current educational classrooms or schools or coaching situations. What three key critical factors do you feel are vital to have an effective education today, and build that success with your students? So you'll be listing your three throughout the PowerPoint slides and elaborating on each one with citations from authors that we've read throughout the course or that you've seen on some of the videos. And you'll also be thinking of practical applications for each of your three purposes to explain what it looks like, what it sounds like, to create those three things, those vital components that need to be in contemporary education today. Your total presentation should last between 10 and 15 minutes. The final portion of the presentation is going to be you responding to people in your culminating project group, those other few that are going to be viewing your presentation and giving you some feedback, and you'll be doing the same with theirs, some appreciative feedback about what you found most interesting, most important for yourself as takeaways from their presentation. Thanks. It's been wonderful having you all in class, and I can't wait to see your final culminating projects. Have a great week.